Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need black and red pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and I have just some scrap string here. And we're going to start with adding 2 red, 1 on each side, black that goes through both, red on each side, black that goes through both, red on each side, black that goes through both, and red on each side. We're going to hold this string and pull the other one. This is what it looks like. Go ahead and tie this. Cut the small end off. And then we'll put our needle on here. We're going to go through this red. We're going to add red. We're going to add black. We're going to add red. We'll flip this over, go through this red. We're going to add red. Black. Red. Okay, we're going to go through these 2 red. You're going to add a red, another red. We're going to go down this black and this red. We're going to go up this red and then down this red. You're going to add black. Then we're going to add another black. You'll go through this one. We're going to add another black. And this time we're going to go down the red and the black. We're going to go down this red, up this black. We're going to add a black. Then we're going to go down this red, up all of these red. You're going to add a black and then go back through this red. We're going to go down this black, and then we're going to go up these 2 red beads. Flip it over. We're going to add a red, another red, another red, and another red. This time we're going to go down this red. We'll go ahead and go over here and add our black, just like we did on the other side, and then go back down. Okay, we're going to go up this red, and we need a black here, so we're going to add a black, whoops, and then go down this red. We're going to add black, another black, and another black. And we need to add a black here, so we're going to put on a black and then go through this red. And then we're going to go back up this red. Flip it over. We're going to add red, another red, and another red, and another red. This time we're going to go down these two, up these two, and then down this one. Flip it over. We're going to add red, black, and red. We need to add a black right here, so add your black and then go back through the red and then down this red. So we went through both of those. You're going to add red, and we're going to go through both of these here, and we're going to add our black and go back through this red. And I'm going to go back up this red to tie it. Cut that off. And then you can just play around with the legs and get them straight. Alright, there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.